Isa ka ba sa mga traders na nag-iisip kung kailan ka magtitipi? Good problem yan. Pero kailan ba talaga best time to take partial profits? Kasi baka umakyat pa, tito. Walang mali sa pag-take ng partial profit, especially kung may paggagamitan ka that can improve your lifestyle. Maybe you have been wanting to buy a new car, a new house, or dream of vacationing with your family. In my case, I've been wanting to invest in solar panels since 2022. But during that time, Bitcoin was on sale and solar panels were still pricey. So I decided to invest muna in Bitcoin kesa sa solar panels. Fast forward 2025, Bitcoin is now trading at a good price and solar panels are discounted. Kaya I took partial profits and purchased a solar panel system using my profits from Bitcoin. Technically, my solar panels are free courtesy of BTC. As a prudent investor, I searched for a good solar panel provider. Nakita ko ang Handrax Solar PH na recommended din ng isang Titonatics. I like the way they explain the benefits of investing in a solar panel system, and I also like the way they install the panels and the wirings. Malinis. At ang matindi pa, hands-on ang owner, kaya naman kampante ako habang nasa bubong sila. Kaya kung nag-iisip ka pa, kung magpa-partial TP ka na, isipin mo kung saan mas magiging kapaki-pakinabang ang profits mo. Follow for more Tito Moves!